Hi Cancerians, this is Marishi Yamashashilaka. Let's see what is your situation as of now and what you need to hear from me. Cancerians out there, Sun, Moon or Rising Venus. What you need to hear from me right now. Just one more time. Alright. Cancerians. What you need to know right now. Your first card is the Page of Wands. There is a message which is coming through. And you know it is coming through. Intuitively, you feel like there is some kind of a message which is on its way. Alright? You can feel it coming. Alright, moving on. Cancerians, what else? Somebody might be reaching out. Okay? What else, please? Your next card is this one, though. It could be an earth sign person, an Aries or a Taurus, someone who is a King of Pentacles. Or this has to do with, yes, this could be an opportunity, okay, which is going to bring you abundance, happiness. Okay, whatever that message is about, it is something which has potential to bring you this emotional happiness or abundance in your future. But I do see you are hurting right now. Okay, whatever that situation is, there is some kind of a heartbreak regards to it. But somehow, it is going to be something of the past. When it comes through, this will be healed. Things will get better. Okay? This could be a financial opportunity as well. Your financial status will be much more stable than how it was before. Okay? With that King of Pentacles, you will be financially stable again. Alright? Could be a job opportunity which is coming through. Because whatever it is the Ace of Wands. Okay? It is a good opportunity, which will bring you happiness with that Ten of Cups. Moving on. Some of you might be dealing with a Libra. What was other cards? Can't remember. Alright, yes. This was how things were before. Okay? You were not in a good place. But that is going to change. Okay? If it is regards to another person, if it is regards to a relationship, you are not on the same page, you are, you might have felt betrayed, because with that Three of Swords as well, you were very hurt. Okay? Out in the cold. Not on the same page. Okay? There was a separation. If it is regards to your, surroundings, financially you were not in a good place. Okay? Some of you might be dealing with a Taurus. Your next card is this one. Just like, what I was trying to say. Nothing much was happening. There was a stagnancy. Things were in limbo. There was a time off, even with that Five Pentacles. Not together anymore. There was a time off, okay, being in limbo. But then that is going to change. Yes. The situation is going to change. The Hangman is in the center of your reading. Okay? It's a center card. Even when you had this time off, you took the time to think through what is actually happening. What is it that you want? Because I see the Hermit trying to figure out the situation, trying to look at it from every angle possible and understanding, assessment of your own life, assessment of your situation, whatever you're going through. What is it that I need? Because this hermit is shining a lamp in the dark. So he is seeking for answers. And even if you look at this person, he has a halo around his head. So you're in time off, but then you are thinking it through. Okay, you're being enlightened. It's like the Buddha who's sitting under the tree. He's getting enlightened. He knows what is it that he wants in his life purpose. The same way, you're getting enlightened about your situation. Okay, again, there is a light. Okay, it's like a light bulb. Okay, so there is a need to reflect, go within and ask yourself, what is it that I need from this? Okay. Some of you might be dealing with a Virgo. Moving on. Cancerians out there. Yes, it's something beautiful is really coming in your life, okay? All right. I'm just looking at the cards which wanted to show itself. We have the wheel. Okay, every card which catches my attention has something to say. Okay, it's not an accident. So there is definite Ace of Cups. Let me just keep it aside. The Fool card showed up first. So there is new beginnings. Okay, regards to something beautiful which is coming your way, which is being offered to you. We had the Ace of Wands, which came through earlier. Now we have got the Ace of Cups. Whatever opportunity it is, it has potential. It is going to bring happiness or joy in your life. No doubt about it. Because I see the wheel turning. And the way it has fallen, it has fallen. That's the reason why I laughed. It fell on top of the Hangman. The stagnancy. You were stuck in a position. But that is going to change because the wheel is not stuck anymore. The wheel is going to turn. Got it? Yes. You got an emperor. It's almost like you're back on your throne. You have the power back in your life. Okay? You are the boss of your life now. You are going to get stable again. Okay? Yes, because you never gave up. You never gave up in a situation. That is why it is coming back. It is finally coming through. Okay? Some of you might be dealing with an Aquarius. Cancerians, what else? There was a sense of anticipation. Will this ever change? It's like you're on the fence, but then you're not sure. Like, am I going to be stuck in this situation for the rest of my life, or things are going to change? That doubt was always there. Let me show you the cards. We got the Nine of Pentacles, we have got the Four of Pentacles, the Judgment, and the Nine of Wands. We are looking at two nines, the Nine of Wands and the Nine of Pentacles. So it's like always anxious. There is a need to always watch your back. Anticipation. What next? Where is this going to go? Will things go in my favor? All that. Okay, you're exhausted, you're tired. Okay, supporting yourself, doing everything, fighting for yourself, all that. But, it's just, after a point, it gets a little too tiring. And I see that happening with you. But intuitively, remember, Initially, I pulled out the Page of Wands along with the High Priestess. So you know deep within there is something going to change within your life. And I feel like that change is coming through. And Cancerians are the most intuitive people in the world. I'm a Cancerian as well, so I'm just going to hype it up for you. Yeah. You know it's coming. You can feel it in your bones. It's coming. Okay? The stuck situation is going to change. You have been holding on to this for a very long time, not giving up. Whatever that situation, if it's a person, then you were holding on to it. If it was a situation, you kept, doing everything you can. There is a verdict which is coming through. Okay, with that judgment, there is a verdict which is going to come through. It's almost like you're getting a second chance at life. Alright? Yes, there is a need, or this verdict could be from somebody else's part. Okay? They are making a decision. Or someone has to make a choice regards to how things should be from here on. Moving on. Cancerians. You're looking at the Eight of Cups and the Knight of Swords. There is definite return of something. Something which has exited your life. Somebody who has walked out of your life is coming back in. That could be the judgment, because I was a little confused what the judgment could be about. Is it from the other side or your side? But I felt when I was reading the judgment, it was somebody else who's making that decision. Okay? It's just confirming. Whatever disappointments you had once upon a time, that is, going to change. And it's almost going to change abruptly. Like quickly. With his Knight of Swords. Knight of Swords is the fastest moving knight in this deck. Some of you might be dealing with a Taurus or a Gemini or probably a Pisces. Second chances at something. Somebody wants to offer you something. Okay? Don't think it as a love situation itself. It doesn't have to be. It could be a job situation. It could be a business opportunity. Something is coming back into your life to change things around. It could be a person as well whom you were involved with. Alright, moving on. Cancerians, could you give me the next card, please? Yes, it's like justice. It's meant to happen because you deserve this justice. Things are going to fall into place. Finally, the wheel is turning in your favor. Some of you might be dealing with a Libran. Can we have the next card, please? They're giving a lot of backstory. More than the 5 cards which I'm supposed to pull. So, next card, please. Your next card is this one. Everything which you dreamed for. Everything which you wished for. You're going to be satisfied. Content with what is going to come through. Okay, with this Nine of Cups. If you look at this person is like, very satisfied with whatever he has achieved. Because he is displaying the trophies on top of, behind him. It's like his achievements. This 9 cups behind him is like his trophies at display. It's almost like he made it in life. The same as this King of Pentacles. He's like abundant financially. He doesn't have to be worried about anything. And you know it. Okay? You are convincing yourself everything is going to be alright, even initially with that High Priestess. You know, you were prepared for this to happen. You were going through a hard phase, you were hurting, all that. But you had that conviction deep within that things are going to change. And that change is coming through. That message, because the Page of Wands is a messenger energy. It is coming in. Okay? Some of you might be dealing with a Pisces or maybe a Leo. What is your last card, please, Cancerians out there? Your last card is the Eight of Wands. Again, it's like forward movement energy. Okay? You are letting go of a phase of your life and you are moving into the next phase. And it is fast moving. This is also about communication, travel. You know? Some of you might need to travel. And this might be something to do with what you wished for in life. The track of your life is changing gears. Okay? It is going the route which you always wished for. Yes. Even with the Six of Swords, it is again, if you look at this person is packing his bags and leaving. Some of you might need to literally pack your bags and leave. Okay? There might be a relocation. Because if you look at this Hangman, this person is stuck, but there is movement which is coming through. And it is going to bring you satisfaction. Whatever that change, whatever that shift is going to bring about, you know, happy new beginnings. Because we got the Fool card as well. Fool card is a card number 0. So it's like, you know, a new beginning in your life, starting over again. Ow. Yes, because whatever is coming through, it has potential. For some reason, I feel like you have no idea about it. For some reason, like you are a little unsure, uncertain when it comes through. You're not really convinced, maybe. Like it has the potential, but it does. Maybe you're confused, like, you know, should I take it? You know, what is the intention? Because there is uncertainty, okay, regards to that opportunity. You might second doubt it. Yes, it is something which has a foundation, you know, structure. It is going to bring that foundation back into your life. Like, just like I said, things falling into place. Some of you might need to travel, okay, relocate probably. Or things are just moving fast-paced for you, for the best. Strong Taurian energy, Aquarius energy, strong Pisces energy as well. That's it for now. I wish you luck. Until next time, bye-bye.